Assalamualaikum and hello YouTubers. Welcome back to Let's Talk About with Unnie. So, believe it or not, we are actually consuming plastic every day without even noticing it. You mean this type of plastic? It's not literally we are eating this big plastic. Obviously, scientists have found little small pieces of plastic in the food we eat, in the water we drink, and even in the air we breathe. This small little plastic is called microplastic. Microplastic is as small as 5 mm and smaller pieces of plastic are called nanoplastic. So how this big plastic bottle can suddenly become smaller pieces? Wan Alya, could you explain it?
Yeah, sure can. We have a lot of plastic bags, plastic bottles, and many types of plastic in the ocean. And what happens over time is that the action of wind, sunlight, and tide will break the plastic down, firstly into microplastic and then into microplastic. Another source of microplastic is actually from our clothes. Some of our clothes are actually made from plastic, and this is called as synthetic fibers. Look at this jacket. Can you see that fuzzy thing? That is plastic. What will happen is that when we wash our laundry, these strands will pull loose and tiny microfibers fall out. Later, these small plastic strands will wash into our river and then go through the ocean. Thus, the small pieces of plastic will be eaten no other than, you might guess, our seafood. In this recent year, many scientists say that they have found small bits of microplastic in shrimp, oyster, fish, and all sorts of seafood you can mention. Do you guys see that green thing? That is plastic. How about that strand? Oh yeah, scientists found it in a fish they bought. But it is not just seafood. They also have found it in our most important ingredient when we are cooking. Can you guess? It's salt. A study from Nature found microplastic in the grains of 16 different salt brands taken from 8 different countries, which has plastic fiber and bits as small as 160 microns. The type of plastic found in the salts was polypropylene and also polyethylene, which are used for making grocery bags, plastic bottle caps, and more. Wait, never heard of polyethylene? Watch my previous video to learn more. Yeah, click that, click. Thus, this is how plastic managed to get into our food chain and literally get into our body. So what does this mean? Are we gonna be dead? Well, actually, scientists haven't discovered whether the microplastic in our food chain can be harming for humans or not. Since these microplastics are very small and humans might only have it in a small portion in them, scientists have not identified whether it would bring harm or the other way. However, we all know that having undigestible items in our body are not good for us. So what we can do right now is to try to use less plastic and start using reusable and sustainable items and products. And also wash less if you are wearing clothes from synthetic fibers. But washing less can mean dirty clothes. So you guys think about it. That's all for now, YouTubies. See ya! Hi all, you guys might be wondering why this video is a bit shorter than the previous one and before this. It is because when I was searching for this topic, I found that there are too many information and to talk all about it will take time. It will be like forever. So if you guys want to know more about microplastic, you can search it in YouTube. There are so many YouTubers that talk about this, and also watch my previous video to learn more. Okay, bye.